Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. Today we'll see why user and group management is important in Linux system. So some typical use cases such as user access control, group based permission and security. So user access control basically means ensuring only authorized user can access the system. Group based permission means like managing access to shared resources. And the last security like managing password expiration and account policies. So in this video, we'll see how to create and manage user accounts, create and manage groups, modify user attributes like password, and manage group membership. So let's begin. So let's consider a scenario. So we want to create a user named Deepak and add to a group called DevOps. So how can we achieve this? So let's see the commands for this. So we have to first create a user called Deepak. So give the command sudo add user Deepak. So type password, anything. Now keep these things default for now. Now we'll clear the screen and we have created the user. Now it's time to create the groups. So the command for creating group sudo group add and give the group name DevOps. So the group got also created. Now we have to give command like sudo give the command user mode and dash a for append and G, and we want the uh, DevOps, we want the add Deepak to DevOps group. So we'll give the group name DevOps and give the username Deepak. Deepak capital, Deepak small. Now press enter. So to check it's added or not, type the command groups and Deepak. So here you can see Deepak gets added to the group DevOps. So we'll see one more like if I want to add Samir to a developer group, so we'll follow the same process. So first clear the screen. First we'll create sudo add user Samir. So this user I want to add into the developer group. So this user already exists in my. So now we'll add the add group. So command for adding group sudo group add and give the group name. I want to give the developer developer. So sudo group add developer, press enter. It's already exist. So we can check group Samir. Oops, spelling mistake. Group Samir. So here you can see Samir is in developer group. That's already added. So now we'll see some more commands. So first I will clear this screen. So consider the scenario like if my user account Samir, I want to set the expiry date. So how can we achieve? So for this you can give command sudo chage and fe, and if I want to expiry date to 30 03 and dash 01 and give the user name. So to verify it's changed or not, we give the command sudo chh dash l samir. So here you can see account expired March 1, 2030. So in this way we can set the date expiration. So now we'll clear this screen. Now we'll see some another use case. So if I want to create a group name football and we want to set the group ID 9824. So how can we do? So for this use the command sudo group add and give dash g and provide the ID which 9824 and we want to add this group to football. Like we want to create a group called football using the GID. So with football OT. Now we'll check command here. Press enter. It's already this. So check group group football. So it's already added. So now if you want to rename this group to cricket, so how can I do? So we can give the command sudo and group mod dash n for name and the new name like we want to give cricket and change it to football. Press enter. Command error sudo. Let me group it's not ROUP. So press enter. So I think it's got changed. Now consider another scenario. We want to add a user with UID to the this group cricket which we have now created. So we can give command like sudo user add and give dash g. This cricket group we want to add a new user and give the group name cricket and give the username I will Sam and provide the UID. I will give 5322. Press enter. So it's get added. So if you do cat slash etc slash give space dash pass